Hello dear children, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing well your studies and you are revising your chapters every day. And in the last class, we have started 16, the tense timing. We have almost completed this lesson and a few exercises are left. So today we shall finish it. And before starting our exercise, let's quickly go through this lesson. So when we speak about tense, there are three main tenses are there. What are they? Present, past and future tense. Present, past and future tense we have. So I have told you many times to learn the verbs. So in this lesson, you must have realized about the importance of the verbs. So the verb meaning will change according to the place and timing. So that's what this lesson we have the tense timing. When we speak about tense, it mainly speaks about time. Which time? That's what we have learned in the previous class. Right? See here, the simple verb I eat changes into present into past. I ate. And when we speak about future, I shall eat. According to the time and place, the verb meaning will change and the verb formation also will be changed. For that, we have to learn the verbs, right? And when we speak about the examples, look at these pictures and study the sentences carefully. We have learned, we have studied already, but let's quickly revise it now. I play cricket daily. So when we speak about daily activities, habitual activities, routine activities, and there are more. So you must have revised the previous notes. If you did not revise it, if you did not read that notes, please read and come. So in that notes I have given you clearly everything. So dear children, here the verb play speaks of an action which is done in the present time. So which means what happens the present time. Present time in the sense at the moment, now, right now. When we speak in that time, that's called present time. Present time. That's why we say present tense. And then hence the play is said to be the simple present tense. Right? Right now, so that we have play. And when we speak about the past, see here, I played, the verb formation has been changed. Play, played, played. Right? I played cricket yesterday. So when we speak about yesterday, that is the past action, that is yesterday. That time is over. Right? Yesterday, not we are not talking about today. Right? At the moment, it is over, completed. So here the verb played speak of an action which was done in the past time. Past time happened this action. Right? So hence the verb played is said to be the simple past tense. So we know only three types of main tenses. So in each tenses we have four categories. That we will learn it in the next exercise, or when the time comes we will learn it, right? And when we speak about the future tense, I shall or I will play cricket tomorrow. We speak about the future action. What will happen? Not yesterday, not today. So we plan about the future actions. That's why we say it as a future tense. So we plan about not today or yesterday. We plan about the future. So that we say I will, shall or shall play cricket tomorrow. Right? So that we speak about this is a future tense. Right? So we say already this is a we have seen only the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Besides, we have three more tenses in each category: present, past and future. That we will learn it. Okay? And here the verb will or shall play denotes the action which will be done in the future time. Future time, right? Hence the verb will or shall play is said to be in the simple future tense. This is called the formation of simple present tense, some simple future tense. Okay? Thus, there are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense, as I said. Right? Here we have one exercise based on these three tenses. Based on these three tenses, we have an exercises. So here we are going to read the sentences and tick the correct column. What we are going to do? We are going to read the tenses, and according to the tense, we are going to tick here whether this sentence is a present tense or past tense or future tense. That's what we are going to do it. Not more than that. Right? So here we, as I said, we have three forms: present, past and future tense. Present, past and future tense we have. So what we are supposed to do? I play tennis on Sundays. I play tennis on Sundays. See the verb. Dear children, see the verb. Mainly the verb will decide the tenses, and sometimes auxiliary verb also will decide the tenses. But when we speak about present, simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense, verb, by looking at the verb, we can easily identify with the auxiliary verb also or helping verb also we can decide. So here we can decide with the verb. I play tennis on Sundays. So Sundays, when he speaks about Sundays, that is every Sunday he is playing. He plays cricket every Sunday. So that is a routine activity or habitual activity. So whenever Sunday comes, he goes for tennis playing, right? So that comes in which category? Whether present or past or future. So it comes in present form. So it is a present tense, right? Dear children, please understand. Don't simply learn anything. Please understand and learn so that you will not forget it, right? And the second one, we will go to Kashmir. We will go to Kashmir. Dear children, we have seen the rule, the example, future tense. What are they? Will or shall. If will or shall comes, that is a future tense. That is a future tense. See here, we will go to Kashmir, which means they are planning to go to Kashmir in future, not the present time. They are planning to go to Kashmir in the future times. Future, not now. So which means it comes in the future tense. It is under future tense. And the next one, third one, the baby laughed loudly. So dear children, find out what is a verb here. Laugh. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Those are three forms of tenses. Verb form, laughed, laugh, laughed, laughed. Right? So the baby laughed loudly. So it decides which tense it is. It decides the past tense that is coming under past tense, completed action. So it is the past tense, right? And the next one, fourth one is the train stops here. The train stops here. Dear children, in the next lesson we will learn about the simple present tense rules and regulations. But here the train stops here. The third person singular, it comes a verb plus yes or is. We have to add here. That's a rule. So the train, third person singular, stops here. Maybe the train is coming every day at the stops and goes in the particular station. So that they say the train stops here. So it comes under habitual actions, under routine actions. What we have to say, that is a present tense. Right? It is coming under present tense. And the next one, Fluffy was my pet dog. So we are speaking about the subject dog, Fluffy. The dog's name is Fluffy, right? Fluffy was my pet dog. So here it is coming under was, past tense, past continuous tense it is. It is a helping verb. Here the was is working as a verb. Verb was is working as was. Was is working as a verb here, right? So it is so that it comes under past tense. We are not particularly speaking about the particular tense. We are deciding which category it is, present category or past category or future category. That's what we are learning it now, right? and so that it comes under which tense? Past tense. Right? We will learn it. Don't worry about it. We will learn it when the time comes very deeply. Okay, in detail we will learn it. Right? The next one, the sixth one, she will bake a cake. She will bake a cake. So we have seen already one example like this. Will or shall. When will or shall comes, it is under which tense it is? Future tense. It is under future tense. They are planning to bake a cake in future, not now. Future time. So that it is future tense. So dear children, please learn it. Learn, revise it once again. So when the time comes, we will learn everything in detail. So dear children, so today under the last class we have learned the present tense and simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. So these are why we are learning only these tenses, sir. So mostly when we speak in English, we use simple tenses. I mean simple present tense we mostly use, and a simple past we mostly use, and the same way simple future. So that we have to learn the rules and regulations. If you want to speak good English, you have to learn the rules and regulations, how to form a tenses, how to form a simple present tense, not only the particular tense, all the tenses we have to learn, so that we will avoid making mistakes. My dear children, please learn the rules and regulations. When the time comes, when the chapter comes, I will teach you and we will learn it in detail. So revise this, learn these answers in your notebook and as well as your textbook. Revise it properly, learn properly. Thank you.